Hello friends, in this video I will show how to transpose data in Excel in Mac and Windows. So I will show you how to do this one. So just simple and easy way, copy your data, select and copy. Now select any cell and here you will find option transpose. Just select it. So we can see we can transpose easily. Just copy and paste as transpose. I will show you again. Of this particular data, copy, select any cell and just select transpose like this. In the Mac, copy and in the corner, once you paste, so in the corner right click, so you will see the option for transpose. Just select it. So thanks for watching.